And even though it all went wrong, I stand before the Lord of song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah.
Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome to Work of Excellence TV. Welcome to the vlog. Well, I know that I told you guys that we're always rushing, packing, gotta make sure we do this, that before we head out of town. And we always starting a vlog in the car. So I decided that this time we were going to start the vlog when we get to where we're going. So right now, my family is having a little get-together in South Carolina, and my husband's family lives down there as well. Some people say we may be related. Who knows? And it's too late now anyway. So we are now at my husband's grandmother's house, and she is 100 years old. And I just hope that I can get to be 100 and still be able to do the things that this lady do. Let me show you guys what she's doing. So you cooking?
I was done cook.
What you cook?
Turnip, fried chicken,
Mm-hmm.
some
So I'm letting the vlog see. 100 years old in the kitchen cooking. Fried chicken, turnip greens. That's a blessing.
some stewed chicken wing.
Stewed chicken wings.
Yes.
Oh, wow. That is a blessing.
Canned and some potatoes.
Candy yams?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and she can cook too.
What?
Keep on believing all the dreams inside of you, and don't stop achieving,
Yeah, just wanted to give you guys just a little insight of our grandma. She's such a beautiful woman. She has a beautiful soul inside and out. And just to have your mind, your strength, and be 100, that's everything. It's worth being 100, you know?
I had turnips in a long time.
Oh, yeah?
Okay. What else you want? This turkey neck bones.
Mm-hmm.
Turkey neck.
What's that?
This is turnips.
Mm-hmm.
Lima beans.
Mm-hmm. Glad to be in the numbers one more time.
Thank you.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you. Thank you.
Keep on believing all the dreams inside of you, and don't stop achieving, Let God's love shine on through.
Hello, good morning. No, good afternoon. So we're down in South Carolina. So I just decided we had a good breakfast, and so we out at the stores just doing a little running around, and I'm gonna go inside Cato's right there and see what I can find for the plus size girly girls, and maybe I can find enough stuff to do a haul. Maybe not. I'll show you guys later what we come up with, because we got a couple of stores to go to. So we'll check in with you later. Peace. Now I picked up this jacket. Of course, it's too big. I knew it would be, but I'm going to get it altered because I have some boots to match this, and it's only $5.99 on the clearance rack. So I'm going to get it and have it taken in because it's the perfect jacket, and it's like a little velvet type jacket. So yes, I'm going to get it for $5.99. I couldn't believe it. $5.99. Regular price, marked down to $31.99, and then down to $20.99, then $13.49, down $5.99. And see, it's too big, but it's the only one, so I'm gonna have it fitted. It matches my boots perfectly. Look at this top. This is a 1820, and this was on a clearance rack too for $21.99. So I think I'm going to get this one too. I like the way it fits. Yep. Not sure if I like this. No, I am sure I don't like it. This one was $11.99 on clearance. I didn't know if this was the front or was this the front. I just don't like the way it fits. I love the material of it though, but I don't like the way it fit. So the tags are back here, so I'm thinking this is the back. And like I said, this was $11.99 and it was a 22. So this one is a no. If they have this one in one size up, because the arms is a little too snug. I like this shirt. And this is a size 18, so I want to try the 20 just because I need a little more room in my arms. And this was on a clearance rack as well, and I'm shopping on a clearance rack because Cato's is a little expensive, and I want to get tops because I'm still losing weight. So tops you can always make fit real good, but I like this shirt, so hopefully they have another size up. Okay, on to the next one. Now I like this one. This is separate from this. This is 18 and this is an 18 as well. And I like it, how it fits, and I know how I would put this together. So this is $13.99, this one here, and this one is $11.99. And these two was on the clearance rack. Like I said, I didn't really see anything that I like. That was regular price. And I even got some boots, and I'll show you those later. And let me see how I do this. And I'm going to look at some jewelry, and I'll show you the jewelry and the boots later. But these are the things I picked out. And one thing, I'm gonna see if they got a bigger size, and the other one I'm gonna not get, but everything else I like. Little store dressing room haul. So I'm sitting here in the car waiting for Babe. He went into the Dollar Tree. We buy this pre-wash for your clothes and stains, and I swear by that pre-wash. And I don't know if because I said it in my town, now that I go to the Dollar Tree to get it, because I buy them like a lot at a time, they don't have it. So I said, while we down here, let's see if they have them and get us 10 bottles, because in the area where the bleach is supposed to go in my washing machine, I pour some of that. And if I have a stain, and I really wish I could have showed you guys this shirt. I spilled coffee on it, grease, and I sprayed it, and I put it in the wash, and it was a white shirt. Came out like it was brand new. So don't y'all go buy it all up at the Dollar Tree, okay? But I'm just trying to put y'all on game. And I spilled some wine on my chairs, and my chairs is like a beige with a little tinge of yellow in it. I was mad, but I sprayed it and I scrubbed it, came right out. So that's just a little tidbit. So just coming out of Cato's, and I end up, the other shirt that was too small that you'll see in the haul, it wasn't too small, the arm was too tight. They didn't have a next size, so I couldn't get that, but I ended up getting this beautiful like silk green one, which is too big, but I can make it work. So I end up getting that one because this stuff was on a clearance rack, and that shirt was $11.99. I'm going to show you guys that because you didn't see that shirt, and I want to show you the boots because you didn't see the boots. And guess how much I paid for them boots? Stay tuned to when I show you the boots, and then I'll tell you how much I paid for them. They were on clearance as well. And I ended up buying some beautiful earrings, and I'll show you guys that. So now I am getting ready to go to my family affair because we're supposed to have a nice little get together once a year. We go down to my aunt's house. She passed away during COVID, and she was 102 years old. And Babe's grandmother is 100 years old, the one that do all the cooking and stuff for us. She's just as sweet as she could be. So we all want to just come back and meet up at my aunt's house because we've been there like since we were kids, and we just want to keep that tradition going as long as we can. So I will check in with you guys later. I might film at my cousin's house. I might just take some pictures, but I will tune back in to you guys a little later. Go ahead, it's a video, All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Come on. Wait.
What's up, mate?
Here is the bathroom. It's everything nice. Floors. So this is the bar. Well, this is the microwave for your coffee, refrigerator. These are the beds because tomorrow I'm gonna have my grandbabies. So we have a bed for them until we get ready to leave. And so this is more of a hotel that I like. As for me, the view. Well, hello, fam. Hello. We are now in Atlanta, Georgia. So we left South Carolina and now we are in Atlanta to visit a little bit and come and pick up the grandkids. So gave you a little cam of the room. This is more up to my speed when it comes to hotels. So we're gonna pull out the bag and do a little quick clean, little 5-10 minute room clean. I don't care how clean the room look. We always gotta spray down the bed with 90 proof alcohol, wipe down all of the tables, light fixtures, the remote control, doorknobs, light fixtures, the phone, pretty much, and then the bathroom. Me and Babe, it only takes 10 minutes. And just spray the furniture, especially if it has cloth furniture. We spray the furniture. I wiped off this chair already with some Lysol wipes. And that's all. So we will tune in with you guys a little later. It was about a 4.5 hour drive from South Carolina. So we're kind of hungry. And we'll check in with you guys later. I got to call the grandbabies and let them know I'm here. Okay, talk to you soon. Peace out. Talk to you guys soon. Big kid. Big kid. I gotta get my snippets. Hey, look at here. So me and Babe decided to come out and go to Juicy Crab because we are hungry. So we just getting us some seafood. So we gonna get some seafood and see you later when I turn this camera back on. I eat with gloves, Babe eat with his bare hands. So the esthetician has came to do my stomach and my thighs. She travels. So we get ready to get started. I might show you and I might not because it's personal parts of my body. Okay, so I'm going to get started. everybody. We're coming outside of the car wash. Sorry we didn't check in. We just been being lazy, doing things. I don't think we talked to you guys since yesterday. We had, I'm sorry, phone cut off. We haven't talked since the esthetician came last night and gave Babe a facial. Look at Babe's face. Look at your face. Look at the camera, Babe. Wow. It looks good. And I got a body work over last night. I think if you haven't, I'll give you a little sneak peek of that. But we just been chilling. We had breakfast this morning in the hotel. It wasn't a big breakfast. I thought it would have been bigger, but it wasn't. And now we're just running to the store because I'm getting ready to get my hair braided. So, yep. So now we are headed back to the hotel because I have to get my hair braided. And then later on we'll be picking up the grandkids. So I'm just checking in because we haven't been on all day. We just in Atlanta, just enjoying our time, trying to find out what we're going to eat for dinner tonight. So we will chime back in when I turn this camera back on. So talk to you guys later.
Later.
So where'd you go to school?
I don't see him. Good talk.
I can do the rest right there.
You can do the rest.
I don't know when the last time I chimed in on this vlog, but we got the grandkids. Say hello. We have the grandkids and we are on our way home. And it was a nice, fun getaway. Couple of days for us. I got my hair braided, but I don't have it styled. See, I got my scarf on. I don't have it styled yet because it's a little sore. So I don't want to style it to like loosen up a little bit. So I'll wait till I'm going to get dressed or something like that to style my hair. So we're on our way home, and I just want to close out the vlog and say thank you guys for tuning in to Work of Excellence TV. We always appreciate you for clicking into the video, watching the whole video from the beginning to end. So when we do have our giveaways and questions is asked, you'll have a good memory of it. So we will see you guys on the next vlog. Peace. Say see you later.
Yo, back on the boogie when cats used to harmonize like yo, my men and my women, don't forget about the dean. Listen out the most the king, yo. It's about a thing, feel real good, wave your hands in the air and lick 2 shots in the atmosphere. It's been 3 weeks since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even full.